Hi students, how are you? Hope that you are preparing well for your board exam. Let's discuss our next chapter, our environment. What is our environment? Let us discuss first. Our environment includes our atmosphere, water, soil, plants, animals, and microorganisms. Okay, waste produced by our human beings are two types. We are producing our waste, that is two types. First one is biodegradable waste, biodegradable, and another one is non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable. Biodegradable can be decomposed by decomposers, but non-biodegradable like plastics, polythenes cannot be decomposed by our decomposers. Now let us discuss. These are biodegradable. Biodegradable means we are producing vegetable peels, animal waste, plant waste, dead plants, dead animals, etc., etc. Here these are plastics, polythenes, chemicals, etc. Next one is our ecosystem. What is our ecosystem? Ecosystem. What is ecosystem? Eco means what? Self-contained. Self-contained unit of living things, that is plant, that can be plants, animals, microorganisms, decomposers, etc., etc., etc. with the non-living environment. Is it clear? For example, ecosystem can be a forest. Forest can be a ecosystem. A pond can be an ecosystem. Water body ecosystem. Forest is an ecosystem. You can say our garden. A garden can be also an ecosystem. Sea is also an ecosystem. Okay, these are the example of ecosystem. Now components. What are the components? Components of ecosystem. Components of ecosystem. Okay, what are the components of ecosystem? There are two types of components, abiotic and biotic. Abiotic means what? Non-living. Abiotic, non-living things. Then next one is biotic. Biotic means living things. Non-living things what? Soil, water. These are non-living things which are present in our ecosystem. For example, if we will, I have given an example that sea. In sea, water is there. In garden, soil is there. Clear? Here, in living things. In living things, we are also in living things. There are three types. First one is producer. Second one is consumer. Third one is decomposer. Who are producers? Green plants are producers. Green plants. We are consumers. We all animals are consumers. Decomposers. Microorganisms are decomposers. Clear? Now functioning. How ecosystem functions? It is already I told you that it is a self-functioning component. Self-functioning component. It is sufficient for a unit of life in the nature. Means they do not depend upon anyone. Means they can survive by themselves. Okay. Next one is, already we discussed producer. Who are producers? Already I told you producers are green plant. Consumers are, we are consumers, and decomposers are microorganisms. Let us discuss consumer. How many types of consumers are there? Already I told you, we are the consumers. Consumers are again three types. First one is herbivorous, carnivorous, herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Omni means what? Herbi means those who are eating herbs, like deer, cow, etc. Carnivorous, those who depend upon these type of animals, like tiger, lion, etc. Omnivorous means what? Those animals who can eat both herbs as well as plants as well as animals, flesh, like we are human being, cat, dog, they can eat both. Clear? Next one is decomposer. Already I told you that decomposers are microorganisms. Clear? Decomposers are having a major role to clean our environment. This question can come in your exam, that what are the decomposers? What are the importance of decomposer? First and foremost thing is that if decomposers will be not there, then nothing can be decomposed and our earth will be full of dirty and waste. There will be smell everywhere, there will be dirty everywhere. So decomposers have major role in our environment. Clear? Now let us come to the next topic, that is food chain and food web. What is food chain? Food chain. Okay, food chain means what? One organism will eat another organism and that will continue. The food or energy can be transferred from one organism to other organism. With an example you can get it better, that is 3 stage, 4 stage. Okay, 3 stages. In 3 stages, suppose we are having grass will be eaten by deer, deer will be eaten by lion. This is 3 stages. If we will go to 4 stages, this can be, if lion, when lion will lie dead, eagle can be eaten by, the lion can be eaten by eagle. So it is 4 stages. If it will continue up to here, then it is 3 stages. It will continue, then 4 step, 3 step, 4 step, that can be. Clear? Plant, then insect, frog. Plant, insects can grass or plant, insect can eat insect. Okay, so insect, frog can be eaten by insect, frog can be eaten by snake. This is also 4 step. Clear? Now next one is, we can say it is producer, it is herbivorous. Okay, then herbivorous to carnivorous, carnivorous to top carnivorous. It is producer, here it is, you can say producer in three stages. Let us omit this one. Let us take 2 examples. It is 3 step, and it is 4 step. This one is grass is producer, deer is, what is deer? Deer is consumer, then it is also consumer, sorry, we will go for that producer. Then herbivorous, then it is carnivorous. Here it is producer, herbivorous, because it is eating herb, so it is herbivorous. It is carnivorous, and it is top carnivorous. Okay, clear? Snake can be eaten by hawk, hawk is in top carnivorous. Clear? Snake can be top carnivorous. Clear? Carnivorous can be eaten by another carnivorous, that is top carnivorous. Clear? There are food chain in aquatic ecosystem also. Food chain can be there, like algae is there. Algae is producer, green plants, like you can say it is green, it is a producer. Then protozoa depends upon algae. Okay, means protozoa eats algae. Protozoa can be eaten by small fish, and small fishes can be eaten by large fish or big fishes, right? This is food chain in aquatic. Clear? Next one is food web. When so many food web, when so many chains will be interlinked with each other, that is called food web. The interconnected food chain operating in an ecosystem is called as food chain. For example, if it is given, then past one is already, we know that plant can be eaten by rabbit, can be eaten by deer, can be eaten by mice. Right, let us take rabbit, example of rabbit. Rabbit can be eaten by hawk. Clear? It is first one, it is first one, it is second one, it is first, it is second, it is third. Clear? Second one we will go, plant can be eaten by mice, rats, it can be eaten by hawk directly. This is second, this is first chain, this is second chain, another chain I can, plants can be eaten by grasshopper. Okay, grasshopper can be eaten by frog, frogs can be eaten by snake, snakes can be eaten by hawk. Clear? This might be the third one. This chain is third one. Clear? Another I can go for another one. Plant, seed eating bird. This seed eating bird can be eaten by hawk. This is another one. This is fourth one. Is it clear? So there are so many chains. This is first one, this is second one, this is third one, this is fourth one. Clear? Now this type of question will come. This is a sure shot question, food chain and food web. Guaranteed this question will come 100%. So go for it. Next one is that tropic levels. What is tropic levels? Tropic levels. Okay. Producer, already I told you, producers are on the baseline. Green plants are the producers. They are first tropic level. First tropic level is, this can be like this in pyramid shape. Okay, this can be like this type of shape. Okay, this can be given like this. This is first stage, this is second stage, this is third one. First stage, second stage, third stage and fourth stage. The figure can be different. Here it is first, second, third and fourth. Clear? Here producers can be there, producer. Clear? Green plants. For green plants who are eating green plants, they are called as primary consumer. Primary consumer. Okay. Second one, this is second. In third one, first stage, producer, that can be T1, T2, T3 and T4. The format can be different, first, second, third, fourth, T1, T2, T3, T4, like this. Or this can be like producer, primary consumer, secondary consumer and tertiary consumer. This is secondary consumer and tertiary consumer. Okay, this type of question will definitely, this type of question come. Here might be one plant written. It might be like this, grass. Okay, like instead of producer, it might be grass, primary consumer deer. Okay, here tiger, here hawk, vulture, hawk, eagle, that can be written. Clear? This type of things can be there. Clear? Otherwise, here it is producer, herbivorous, carnivorous and top carnivorous. It can be like this. Clear? This type of figure can be there. In first one, like flow chart. In second one, third one and fourth one. Clear? In fourth one, first this is first level, second level, third level, and fourth level. As I told you, first level what is grass producers? First level grass. In second level herbivorous. It can be written herbivorous. It can be written carnivorous. In top carnivorous. Clear? It can be given like any animal's name or like this T1, T2, T3, T4. Is it clear? I think it is clear. Effects of, now we will discuss, this is a sure short question. Too much question will come sure. Okay, effects of man's activity. What are the effects of man's activity, human's activity over ecosystem? Clear? What are the effects? What can be happened? Already some examples are there that have happened in our past. Actually, the shortening of food chain due to man's activity like hunting lead to an imbalance in the functioning of ecosystem and ultimately in the functioning of the whole biosphere. For example, a big example is there Sahara Desert. How Sahara Desert formed? Actually, due to some royal families of Rome, they for fun they hunted lions, all the lions and tigers. When all the lions and tigers disappeared from that area, what happened? When all the lions removed, okay, what will happen? Definitely the herbivorous will grow up. When herbivorous will grow up, the majority will, what will happen? They will eat up all the herbs, all the plants. When all the plants will be finished, what will happen? Automatically they will also die. Already lions have hunted, now herbivores are not there, plants are already eaten by herbivores. What happened? Ultimately there will be less rainfall. Due to less rainfall, Sahara Desert is the biggest desert, is a live example that it formed. And our third desert also formed by the same activity of royal families of Rajasthan. Clear? Rajputs. If all the lions will be removed, then our ecosystem will be in balance. If all the deers, all the herbivores will be removed, then the ecosystem will be in balance. Okay, anything will be there not there means our ecosystem will be in balance. Now, where do we get energy? The sun is the energy provider to us. Okay, all energies we are getting from sun. Clear? So actually how much energy is trapped by our producer? It's only 1% of solar energy is trapped by our green plants. We have to be clear about it. Okay, next one, when second step it is transferring, suppose it is getting, the plant is getting 1%, next onwards only 10% of this 1% will go forward to the next step, next generation, next step. Clear? Is it clear? Suppose for example, if sun is giving us 1000 joule energy or 1 lakh joule energy, then plant will get, this is sun is providing 1 lakh joule energy. Clear? So 1% of 1 joule is 1% of 1 joule is 100 joule will be by plant. Plant can use only 100 joule, 1%. Clear? Now from here onwards, plant onwards means producers onwards, only 10% can be carry forward. So plant to where it will be carry forward? Herbivorous. Herbivorous will get, like deer will get 10% of 100, so it will get only 10 joule. So how much lion will get? Carnivorous. Carnivorous will get lion. Suppose lion will get only 1 joule. Clear? Who is eating lion? Top carnivorous. Who is here? Top carnivorous. Top carnivorous is vulture. Okay, vulture, eagle, they will get only 0.1 joule. So How many steps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 steps or 3 stages are there. After that, it cannot be carried forward because energy will be very less. So it is very difficult to survive the next level, next trophic level. Is it clear? So it is 10% law. 10% law is very, very important. This might come in your exam. So you have to go for that. Clear? It is very simple and very easy. Next one, another serious question is there, ozone layer depletion. What is ozone layer? First we should know that what is ozone layer. Ozone layer is a thin layer on the top of our atmosphere of oxygen, and that is O3. Okay, how it formed actually, how ozone layer formed actually, oxygen is, we know that oxygen molecule is O2, but due to UV ray, what happens? Oxygen, molecule of oxygen splits into O and O, oxygen and oxygen atoms. This oxygen atom again combined with another oxygen molecule to form O3. This is ozone. Okay, this is a sure short question. Okay, clear? So how ozone layer deplete? Due to our activities, human activities, like when chlorine and bromine exposed with this oxygen, UV light, then ozone layer depletion will be there. Is it clear? So it will come while we are using our AC and refrigerators. They are producing so much CFCs, as we know that CFCs, these are very dangerous chlorofluorocarbons. Clear? These are depleting our ozone. This will also come in your exam. I think this video will be helpful to you. Thank you. Have a nice day. In next video we will again meet. Thank you.